Good evening, my viewers, my friends. I am Kosha, and I welcome you all to yet another episode with yet another author and another story. Welcome you all who all are watching us today. Let me tell my viewers that today I am fortunate enough to welcome Mr. Vishwajit Singh Dhamija, uh, Mr. Vish, short form. He is a thriller writer and he has written all fiction thriller crime thrillers, 9 novels of it. And I'm very fortunate to have him on behalf of Ahmedabad Book Club and Karma Foundation. I welcome you, sir, Mr. Vish.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me, Kosha. Thank you. It's a fortune. I'm
Yeah,
fortunate to be talking to you.
Padharo sa, Vanakkam, how are you, kaise ho, welcome.
Ah,
Punjabi, born at Ajmer, Rajasthan, traveled at many places. I should even include Gujarat. Yeah, you have traveled. You've been at Jamnagar too.
I've lived in Jam.
Yeah, correct. So Kemcho too. I should include. So then to UK. So how are you? And welcome, sir. Welcome once more. Okay, let me tell my viewers something about the author that he has written 9 novels, which is into fiction, crime, mystery genre. Basically, psychological and crime thriller is the books which he writes, which he's comfortable writing with. He is the India's first legal fiction writer, is among the top 50 authors which you should follow, and top 10 India's best thrilling writer. He is fortunate enough to be alongside the top authors of the world in thriller section. He is known as India's John Grisham, which is very popular, and yeah, he is perfect. He does not use a purple language for his books. He used a fiery language, fiery expression, adores his books. So this was something about him and the 9 novels. I hope we all have an enjoyable conversation this evening with Mr. Vish Tamija.
Thank you. इतना ज़्यादा शान में आपने you've embarrassed me with all that, but thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
We've lost you, I think.
No, I'm here. Okay. So, first of all, sir, all eggs in one basket. 9 novels. You just started writing in 2009, and we are what at the mid of 2020, and we already have 9 books published and 2 under publication, means 11 books. So, almost a book per year. And by the time you go 80, I guess we have more than 40, 50 books to read from you. So why all eggs in one basket? Why only the mystery and crime genre?
Oh, I guess everyone writes what they like. So I like
Correct.
crime fiction. I read crime fiction. I've read crime fiction
Correct.
from the beginning. So I haven't written anything other than crime fiction, but that does not mean that tomorrow I might wake up and think that I've written enough crime fiction and start writing something else. अभी ऐसा कोई ना mood है ना कोई plot है. I don't have ideas of non-crime. So
Correct.
I eggs in a basket. I guess someone has to carry the crime flag because everyone who writes crime अपने India में also starts writing romance and other stuff. So I decided to stick to the line because it interests me. So
It's interesting.
I guess it's a question of
Okay.
interest. वही पढ़ते हो वही लिखते हो type. Though I've
So
tried
let me just,
sorry,
yeah. Sorry, I'm sorry.
I just tried to vary in the crime section. So there are some psychological, some dark, some legal, some capers. So I keep that element of little crime fiction or not necessarily mystery, but some of them have mysteries. So I broadly stay in the crime, but उसमें मैं variation करता रहता हूँ. Someday I might write something else, but as of now तो कोई plot नहीं.
Someday you may have a romance thriller also from you.
Romantic thriller तो वो है. There are 2 of them which
They
are
are, yeah.
yeah.
kind of romance, but not totally that filmy wala romance. वो
नहीं,
वाली books नहीं है.
उसके लिए फिल्में अच्छी हैं. And then there are enough people writing romance, तो कोई कमी तो है नहीं.
Yeah, let me tell my viewers that he is the one who stimulated the crime thriller or crime fiction genre in India, which was almost non-existent before he appeared on in the scene. So he is the one who stimulated an Indian origin, now based at UK, but he is the one who, stimulated the crime or crime fiction area.
Legal thriller. आप बाकी सब मारेंगे मेरे को पकड़ के, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Everybody writes. I just write legal thrillers which are a bit of
legal thrillers. Correct. So yes, since 2009 you are writing, and there are, as you said, so many genre in sub-genre in the crime fiction itself. Like अभी तो वो cyber crime है, फिर hardball school crime है, financial crimes है, many such things. But you generally write crime and psychological thrillers. Like you like to play with fear of the people's mind. So why so?
See, as you rightly mentioned, there are various kinds of crime. So it is, I guess, it's a question of choice. I didn't. So I don't really think कि इसको मैं कैसे position करूँगा. If the story is based on law, then it automatically gets categorized as like a legal fiction or legal thriller. Rita Ferreira की जो books हैं, वो are definitely dark, and there's always a psychopath or someone operating in the background. Those have a different genre. There are some so Desha Karma was a truly psychological legal thriller, which is where you kind of get into the mind of the other person or something psychological, a mental tension. The next one also is psychological. So it's what is the crime leads to what the story would be, and who's playing the protagonist versus who's the antagonist. That decides कि वो would it be a police procedural or would it be psychological, would it be legal, would it be a crime caper जो आप anti-hero के perspective से दिखा रहे हो. I don't really do that, but I guess from a marketing perspective it makes sense कि वो कहाँ जाके Amazon में लगेगी या book shop में लगेगी. That decides कि वो genre है और कौन सा genre है. But
so while writing you don't decide.
Story is a story, so उसमें थोड़ा crime भी है, थोड़ा romance भी है, थोड़ा psychological fun है. Depend करता है कि कौन उसको कैसे देख के position करे.
Correct. Okay, so tell us something about your views, your childhood memories or your childhood days, because you have been writing since 2009, but before that you were into a corporate world for long, born at Ajmer, a small but beautiful town in India, and then to UK. So tell us some memory of it. And yeah, I'll be a little partial over here because Jamnagar is my native too. I would like to know that experience and that memory. Like from school days of yours, were you interested in writing? While you were working in the corporate, were you interested in writing, or writing just came after all this?
No, I was interested in writing and speaking, so debates वगैरह में and plays में and theaters में. But as a serious in school time, there was no serious thought about becoming a writer कि मैं writer बन जाऊँगा. So school की magazines bulletin होते हैं, उसमें थोड़े बहुत article लिख लेते थे. And then I didn't come directly, so I went from Ajmer to Jaipur to Jodhpur to Jaipur again, then to Delhi, then to Chennai, then to Jamnagar, then to Mumbai, then to Dubai, then to Tel Aviv in Israel, and then to Manchester, and then to London. So काफी घाट का पानी पीते आता हूँ यहाँ पे. It's not that it's a direct flight. And I was corporate life, so I was in corporate life till 2018. So that was going on in the background, but I started writing in 2009. You're right, but the first book was published in 2010. And तब भी मैं कोई writer बनने का कोई ऐसा वो नहीं था. But I had thought कि एक किताब तो लिखनी चाहिए कि हमारे जाने के बाद एक legacy रहेगी. पर वो बिकने लगी और काफी बिकती रही और अभी तक बिक रही है. So I think I didn't write till 2014. मैंने सोचा था मैं किताब लिखूंगा, which I had written. But because it kept selling, so फिर मेरे को एक दूसरा plot का idea आया. So I wrote Bhendi Bazaar. That became a success. And then Rita Ferreira, the heroine, became a success. तो मैंने उस पे
Wow, female cop.
and 2014 से I've been quite regular. I had one launch in 14 December, then 15. I had two books in 16, one in 17, two in 8, one in 18 and two in 19. So that's how it kind of. After that, it was
Wow.
easy. I quit my job in 2018, but I एक बोर हो गया मैं घर पे अकेला because writing isn't, you don't get up at 8:39 and start writing till 5. So there's so much time in
Correct.
so we took a loan and I acquired a school. So there was a school that was running preschool, which we bought in 2019 November with 60 kids.
Lovely.
And वो suddenly COVID में बंद हो गया है, तो जब वो धीरे-धीरे खुल रहा है. But I spend my time between writing and traveling to the school, managing the school 3 days a week, and so I still into two jobs. तो एक से बोर हो जाता है आदमी लिख-लिख के. And Jamnagar, yes, I came to Jamnagar. आप मेरी एज पता लगा लोगे अगर मैं आऊँगा. I came to Jamnagar in 1994. So there's this.
I'm not saying your age. I'm just a number of books.
So 94 में there was तब जामनगर काफी छोटा था. I don't know how it is now because
It is.
the biggest thing was Dig Jam. So all you had to say to the auto rickshaw driver कि उलन मिल चालू छे. तो वो बस ले जाता था. So I used to say Dig Jam. I don't know whether the company still exists. And then
Company
still exists. So उसके बाद I got posted to Chennai, and then I got promoted to marketing manager for Dig Jam, and I was based out of Jamnagar for 2 months before I decided कि जामनगर तब वहाँ मारुति मिलती थी और उसकी सर्विस स्टेशन पे रात को जाना पड़ता था. It was that small. This is the
now it is
pre-Reliance.
Fastest. Yeah, Reliance and all that. Correct.
I had some. We made friends because पहले 2 महीने जब मैं ट्रेनिंग में था, we made some friends. और हम एक वो सिनेमा था वहां पे हम गोविंदा की पिक्चरें देखा करते थे सारी. I remember every evening, every Friday we used to go in Jamnagar theater. और तब वहाँ सिगरेट पीना भी अलाउड था, कोका कोला वाला भी अंदर आता था, समोसे भी आ जाते थे. So I enjoyed some good, had some good time. Then because the company was in Jamnagar, but I was in Chennai, I used to travel twice a year or thrice a year to Jamnagar. तो क्या दो तरीके से पहुंच सकते थे चेन्नई से. एक होता था बॉम्बे टू चेन्नई टू मुंबई, और मुंबई टू जामनगर एक छोटी सी पंखे वाली फ्लाइट चलती थी एनईपीसी की. एक बार बैठा उसमें, उसके बाद आई रिफ्यूज. सो आई यूज्ड टू फ्लाई टू अहमदाबाद, और अहमदाबाद से एक इंटरसिटी, आई डोंट नो इफ इट स्टिल एग्जिस्ट, अहमदाबाद से इंटरसिटी अजमेर इंटरसिटी. या
it still runs. Yes, it is still there.
Main way of getting into Jamnagar.
Commuting, correct. Yes, it is still the main way of commuting to Jamnagar. That and the we still have flights, but people still prefer that intercity train. So how now and why you choose to stay and settle at UK then?
ये तो जहां जिसकी रोटी लिखी है, वो क्या कहते हैं ना, दाने दाने पे लिखा है खाने वाले का नाम. सो आई हैड नो आई मीन तब जब राइटिंग की भी ऐसा कोई बाहर आने का शौक था नहीं, बट आई थिंक व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग इन बॉम्बे द आइडिया वाज टू कम हियर फॉर अ डिग्री एंड गो बैक. और वो क्या है कि जैसे जैसे टाइम कटता जा रहा था, एंड आई डिड एन एमबीए, गॉट अ जॉब, एंड सीरियसली आई ट्राइड अप्लाइंग इन इंडिया 6-7 साल बाद, maybe 2009 or 10, I wanted to come back and I applied for jobs in India, and they said कि सब आपको तो experience ही नहीं इंडिया. So they kind of treated me like ये तो foreigner आ रहा है. तो मैं अब लेने ही नहीं वाले, तो ठीक है फिर जहाँ हो वहीं रहो. So I 2009-10 मैंने एक बार ट्राई किया था कि let's move back to India and get start again, but वो people weren't very open to it. तो फिर while you सोचते हो कि ठीक है यार, जब चल रहा है तो क्या दिक्कत, जब किसी को दरकार ही नहीं है तो हम यही ठीक है.
घाट घाट का पानी पी के आदमी बहुत स्मार्ट हो जाता है, कनिंग एंड स्मार्ट.
होता है ना, कुत्ता होता घर का रहता है ना घाट का रहता है.
नो
घर वाले ले रहे
ना, इंडिया वाले ले रहे ना बात. सर, इफ यू डोंट माइंड, वी हैव वन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम अजिताभ सर.
नमस्कार.
He wanted to take his name during the session.
Thank you, Ajitabh.
I would request my team that if there are any other questions or comments, kindly pop up that. Okay,
Medical,
it's from Nitin Singhal, sir, Dr. Nitin Singhal. What about the medical thriller in future? Would you prefer to write?
I would like to dabble in it, but उसके लिए research करनी पड़ेगी because I have no medical background. So legal background तो मेरा है, मैंने एक साल law किया था. So
एक
medical
साल
उसके
सर
बाद
मैंने पढ़ा है, उसने छोड़ दिया था लॉ.
फिर भी even then मेरे साथ वाले जो थे उन्होंने they completed law, they became successful lawyers. Plus I had some
Okay.
understanding. So if I have a question, I can pick up the phone and call him and say कि भाई वो उस वाले का जरा थोड़ा बताओ, मैं गलत तो नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. मेडिकल के लिए I mean I know a lot of doctors, पर मेरी खुद की साइंस थोड़ी वीक है. However,
Okay.
in one of the books I did play something on medicines. Nothing else matters.
Okay.
But it's not a medical thriller. Though there is
Not
a little bit of twist. अगर डॉक्टर साहब पढ़ेंगे तो समझ में आ जाएगा कि कहाँ वो मेडिकल लगाई है. वो कोडीन के साथ खेला मैं. But
अच्छा.
yeah, if I get the idea, like I said, these are all subgenres of crime. अगर किसी दिन आइडिया आ गया तो I will definitely write a medical thriller. Currently मेरे किसी भी जो मेरे plots हैं उसमें medical नहीं है, but yeah, watch this space. I will write a medical thriller. अब आपने कह दिया है ना नितिन जी, अब देखना.
So Nitin sir, you help him with the medical side. We have from Mr. Shirish one other question that isn't it expensive to get your work published and then promote it? Publishing houses promote your work for a fee.
Seriously, this is जिसने भी आपको ये बोला है वो फिर या तो वैनिटी पब्लिशिंग है या कुछ और कर रहा है. Publisher should pay the author for a book.
Correct.
Though obviously most publishers हद से ज्यादा आपको 10-12% देते हैं. But then it is their financial risk. वो छापेंगे, कॉपी बिकेगी नहीं बिकेगी is their problem. If you are paying the publisher, there is something wrong. Which means it is not a traditional publisher. It is a vanity publisher जो पैसे लेके obviously it's not there's nothing wrong. भाई खुद भी publish करते ही हैं. And there have been some real big hits self-published like 50 Shades of Grey and all. And there have been authors that have come up that route because story में जान है. The only minus side is कि जब आप खुद publish करते हो तो how do you promote it? Because again that needs a lot of money because publishers will get the book in the shops.
Right.
कहाँ तक किस दुकान में book लेके जाओगे because it's they have a distribution. Even Amazon.
और कहाँ
जाओ. So money should go in, however little. The money should come from the publisher to you and not from you to the publisher.
Correct. And it's difficult, sir. I mean, practically, जब देखे, while you take up writing as a career, initially you need some backup if that is the only income source for you. So, sir, how did your family take you when you decided that you'll be an author? Though you have all the side incomes and everything, I know. But I have seen one of the picture of your mother reading your book. Mm-hmm. So I would like to know her views. Is she your best critic?
नहीं, वो मम्मी तो कभी क्रिटिक हो नहीं सकती. वो तो उनको तो आप एक कागज पे कुछ दे दो, कहेंगे बेटे ने बहुत अच्छा लिखा है, इसको तो कोई पुरस्कार मिलेगा. So your critics are never your parents because they will always love. My father is a better critic because he will tell me what is wrong with the plot even after the book. My wife critic वो एक बार कह देती है एक आध खून और डाल दो इसमें, एक आध मर्डर और कर दो. And I have so there are parents which parents would love you. So, which is different. How did my family take? I guess it's a hobby. And I mean, when I wrote my first book, it took a while before a publisher took it up and then they published. And again, I don't think for them anything has changed. It's okay. There is some scenes in the book which are adult, समझ लो आप उनको, but they know, I mean, I don't think they started looking at me any different from what I was. भाई अभी भी मैं वही हूँ जो पहले था. 4 किताबें और लिख ली साथ में, तो ठीक है. It's like if I
even after such best-selling 10-11 novels, still they see you say?
I guess for your parents and your family, you will always remain the same. भाई वो तो बेटा ही रहेगा. मैं घर जाता हूँ तो मालाएं थोड़ी निकाल लेते हैं कि और ऑथर आया भैया जो ऐसा लिखा है, पता है, उसे पता है उसको जो पसंद है, but that's it. I don't think there is any difference in the family, in how the family or the friends treat you. तो
And mothers तो ठीक है, but fathers will hardly appreciate the work. वो उनको पसंद आया होगा तो भी they'll not express easily.
no,
डांट लगानी है तो
my father is different because my father is a published author.
oh,
आपकी रिसर्च में नहीं आया होगा, but he
हाँ वो रिसर्च में रह गया मेरे.
go to UK and look for Damija, his books pop up before mine because he wrote a lot of course books. So he has still phonetics and English mein, and he also wrote some fiction. But he was largely into the course phonetics and grammar and all that. So when he criticism, it is more not कि अच्छी लगी कि बुरी लगी. He always points out कि क्या better हो सकता था, क्या ऐसे होना चाहिए था, और if there is a mistake, because वो तो grammar और spelling mistake ऐसे published book में पकड़ लेते हैं. So he's quite on the spot. So he does give you criticism, but not he gives you very constructive criticism. Ki how can be made better.
Correct. It's a psychological thriller. I know you write fiction, but definitely उसमें कुछ there will be some part which you have read somewhere, or a real life incident which you heard somewhere, seen somewhere, or read somewhere. So what do you think? Why such psychological incidences happen more in today's society?
I don't think they are happening more. I think they are coming to light more because अब देखो कि एक जमाने में I'm talking all over the world. We are तो अगर कोई बोलता था कि मुझे mental stress है, people never spoke about it. It was कि कुछ भी बोलेगा उसको पागल है. We have become aware कि these things happen. These things happen more than we think they were happening in the past. It's not कि आज कोई नया कैंसर बहुत ज्यादा होने लगा है. पहले पता नहीं था. People used to die early and थोड़ा हो गया था जी मर गए. This is how, because the medical science wasn't there. The awareness of mental health has caught up in the last 10 years or so. अभी भी
we fear accepting it.
Exactly. So people are very conscious about talking to each other on the mental health, which is जब वो taboo या वो जो फालतू की shame associated, तो psychological problems वही है. And if you do not actually go for therapy or go to a doctor, आप और परेशान होते हो, and that leads to depressions, psychological problems, psychological crimes, because you've been pent up in something. वो कभी तो निकलेगा. So it's हाँ, तो ऐसा नहीं है बढ़ गया. It's coming to light more. I would say वो shame है ना, वो mental health की, that should go, because अगर आपके टांग में दर्द होता है तो आप आराम से कहते हो जी मेरे टांग में दर्द है. पर you associated mental health to yourself कि अगर मेरे को कोई mental problem है तो मैं खराब हूँ. आप खराब नहीं हो. There are things which the doctors can look in. Now I can't say whether it is medicine that is required or therapy that is required, but you should take that step. I have been. So we had a burglary in our place अभी 3 साल पहले यहीं लंदन में. I was at home and 4 lives entered my house. So चोरी करके चले गए. And I started going back home, but those flashes. So I went and spoke to the doctor कि भाई मुझे ऐसे, it's called PTSD, post traumatic stress. तो उसने कहा इसका आप दवाई नहीं होगा, इसके लिए थेरेपी जाओ. So he prescribed 15 sessions. So I used to go once a week, sit with the therapist. वो समझाती थी, there are ways of this. आप घर वालों से बात कर सकते हो, पर घर वाला डॉक्टर नहीं है. So you have to go to a specialist, and that's how. I mean, I went for 15 sessions. वो मुझे homework वगैरह देती थी कि ऐसा सोचो. It's just coming out, and the more it comes out, the more you'll heal. So I am that ये बता दो.
So sir, did that phase help you? Did that phase help you in your writing? During that phase, writing or reading helped you?
नहीं उस phase में ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I was quite. I mean, it wasn't कि मैं डरा हुआ बैठा रहता था. But या शाम होते ही जैसे अंधेरा होता था ना, तो I would lock वो 4 कुंडे बार-बार. You'll go and check the kunda in every window, and सारी तरफ कैमरे लगे हुए हैं. So yes, it was playing on your mind कि भाई एक बार हो सकता है तो दूसरी बार भी हो सकता है. But fact is कि अगर आप इस घर में 10 साल से रह रहे हो और एक बार ही हुआ है तो बाकी इतने साल तो नहीं हुआ. तो that's how therapists will work with you.
घर वालों को इतना, they are not proper doctors or studied people. They cannot do that much. Correct. So yeah, how do you choose the plots of your books? How they are choose, or are there subplots? Plots के अंदर plots होते हैं, mystery के अंदर mystery होती है, कैसे होता है सर?
So yeah, the main plot is what I start writing. और मेरे केस में, and I'm sure every author will tell you differently. आप तो खुद ही author साहिबा हैं कि subplots are something which get worked as I'm writing. मुझे लगता है कि इसमें एक और तुर्री छोड़ सकता है आदमी. And the subplot की the genesis is कि you have to go into a subplot, make it interesting enough कि वो कहानी में बोरियत नहीं लगे, लेकिन इतना भी इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं हो जाए कि आदमी कहानी में वापस नहीं आना पाए. मेन प्लॉट साइड हो जाए तो वो that I work when I work in the plot. Plot का idea I'll give you one of the. So I don't know if you read The Mughal, which is a legal thriller. So उसमें क्या है, there is a fact, a fault around the world, जैसे कि वर्ल्ड पुलिस DNA सैंपल कलेक्ट करती थी किसी क्रिमिनल से. So by chance they collected the DNA sample of someone, मतलब वो एक कोई unfortunately rape हो गया था, and they collected the semen as a DNA sample, only to realize कि जिसका DNA है वो तो जेल में था, तो उसका DNA यहाँ आया कैसे? And that little fact I picked out कि ऐसे गलती हो सकती है. Now they've changed the law. तो आप मर्डर करने की कोशिश मत करना, पकड़े जाओगे DNA छोड़ते ही. So उस little of information कि वो fault कैसे था, तो इसलिए मैंने डेट नहीं करी. And I built the whole story around that plot. That कि वो DNA collection गलती होती थी, तो एक इंसिडेंट पकड़ा गया है, लेकिन और भी तो कोई हो सकता था. So I worked, yeah. So then the other plot was the heist artist. So I was in Amsterdam looking at Van Gogh की paintings. तो मैंने कहा इसकी पेंटिंग पता लगा, तो I went into research कि इसकी कौन-कौन सी पेंटिंग चोरी हुई है और चोरी होके नहीं मिली है. फिर एक पेंटिंग है जो 2 बार चोरी हुई. एक बार चोरी होके मिल गई थी, फिर से चोरी हो गई. So मैंने कहा फिर इसको अपन चोरी करके ऐसे बताते हैं कि इंडिया में, बिकॉज अगर चोरी है और किसी को नहीं पता कहाँ है, तो हो सकता है इंडिया में हो सकता है जापान में हो, किसी को पता नहीं. तो आई बेस दैट पेंटिंग इन इंडिया, और ये कौन मैन उसे चुराने जाता है. सो द होल स्टोरी आइडिया केम फ्रॉम दैट एम्स्टरडैम म्यूजियम. बाकी यू हैव टू वर्क कि उसको क्या करूंगा मैं चोरी करा के, दैट वे.
So that's how you get the ideas of your plots from different.
कैसे आते हैं, कुछ देख के आते हैं, कुछ बनते हैं धीरे धीरे. So not all ideas are from reality. कुछ तो fiction भी है.
But there are reality also in that fiction.
Reality नहीं, सब में नहीं होती.
Okay, so we have another viewer asking Mr. Sanjay, which play?
बदमाश आदमी है संजय वर्मा.
Which play you like acting in the most in school? Your school friend? School memories अभी बाहर आ रही है सब.
IIM अहमदाबाद में पढ़ाते हैं संजय वर्मा. संजय was wireless in Sich like, not such like, in class 5th 19 नहीं year नहीं बताएंगे.
In class 5th, so you won't say the year गलती से भी. Okay, I hope Sanjay sir, if you have any incident behind it or any story, please type in the comment. We would all like to know. And yeah, sorry.
वो उन्होंने लिखा है, do you continue stage now? नहीं, अभी नहीं, कोई मौका नहीं है, मिलेगा तो करेंगे.
Yeah. Author is best known through his words and characters that he builds. Okay, your book, you describe characters very deeply, but the names are usually Goan English kind of name. Rita Ferrari is one of the examples. And that character, when they come live or when people start knowing author with that character, that's the best compliment or best recognition of one's work. So I read that someone called you from the airport that they think that they saw Rita Ferrari over there. So how do you name your characters and how do you feel while seeing that character alive?
So that is false. Ki I use only English or Goan name. It is by chance. Only 2 books have those names, and by chance Rita Ferreira became famous. तो उसकी 4 किताबें हो गई तो वो तो it could have been Anita Deshpande, पर वो अब रीटा फरेरा की
हो सकती थी ना, गुजराती भी हो सकती थी, देखो जामनगर वाली
पटेल साहब है हाई स्टार्टिस्ट पर। हाँ, तो पर वो ज्यादा फेमस हो गई तो दिखता है कि वो सारे गोवन है, नहीं, वो रीटा फरेरा एक है और एक माइकल डिकूना थे वो पहली किताब में।
माइकल
ही वाज नॉट हीरो, हीरो अलग थे दो, ही वाज वन ऑफ द इंस्पेक्टर्स। भैया बॉम्बे में यू हैव दीज नेम्स। अब रीटा फरेरा जस्ट बाय चांस, अब मैं उसका नाम चेंज नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि अब तो वो फरेरा लोगों के दिमाग में रीटा फरेरा
बैक के लिए
तो उनपे तो वो वेब सीरीज भी बन रही है तो दैट नेम विल स्टे। बट ऐसा नहीं है कि गोवन नेम्स यूज करता है कि हाउ आई चूज द नेम्स इज बेसिकली आई चूज नेम्स स्पेसिफिकली टू द लोकेशन। तो अगर दिल्ली में होता है जैसे कोई तो आई वुड यूज मोर पंजाबी नेम बिकॉज ज्यादा पंजाबी वहां है। If you go to Bombay, then you would use a lot more these kind of maybe Goan names, Sindhi. Yeah. So that way, naam and then naam has to obviously local. अगर आप local दिखाओगे मराठी तो हमारे कौन थे वो देशपांडे नहीं मैंने यूज किया, गायतोंडे यूज किया हुआ मैंने। So नाम तो it has to be specific to a place or the reason of why you using a foreign name and putting it. तो हाई स्टार्टेड में आर्टिस्ट में he decides to become Jewish. He kind of changes his the whole thing to Jewish
religion. Correct.
If he does a role play of Jewish, then it has to have a Jewish name.
Obviously, yes.
तो
नाम से मुझे एक और चीज याद आ रही है कि आपका पूरा नाम विश्वजीत सिंह धमीजा है, तो why you use विश धमीजा? What's the story behind it?
नहीं, उसका स्टोरी है अगर पूरे कवर पे आप विश्वजीत सिंह धमीजा छाप दोगे तो बुक का नाम क्या लिखोगे? So नहीं, I've never used Vishwajit Singh Dhameja. I used to use Vishwajit Singh धमीजा। मैं बहुत अपने आप मेरे पुराने विजिटिंग कार्ड्स को डैक में या बेंटन में देखोगे तो नहीं लिखा होता, विश्वजीत सिंह लिखा होता है। उसके बाद जब मैं यहाँ आया तो क्या है कि पासपोर्ट पे you have the name, so उसमें you have a right to make वो पूरा नाम तो ज्यादा था तो मैंने कहा धमीजा would stand out different because Singh is a very common name if you and Singh is never a surname, Singh is always a middle name like Kumar
middle name।
हाँ, उसके आगे कुछ ना कुछ तो होता है, आप लगाओ नहीं लगाओ। विश्वजीत धमीजा से फिर विश धमीजा हो गया because विश्वजीत was difficult to pronounce for most people there, plus it is a long name for any cover। वो विश धमीजा अच्छी तरह फिट हो जाता है उसका, तो उससे फिर
विश मींस पॉइजन
नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है। विश अमृत, हाँ विश मींस पॉइजन। मैं उसे वी एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क लिखता था, फिर ठीक एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड्स कि विश इज शॉर्टेंड फॉर आइदर विश्वजीत, आपने पता लगा लिया, नहीं तो लोग सोचते हैं विश्वनाथ होगा। विश्वजीत और विश्वनाथ से दोनों विश बन जाते हैं मेरे ख्याल से।
विश चले खुदा के विश भी मानते हैं, सो लेट्स टेक इट दैट वे।
टाइम लगा बी की जगह डब्ल्यू कर देते।
So there is one more question from Ashish Verma. Medical thriller about a virus being let loose from a lab causing a global pandemic would be a good one for your next plot.
ये डॉक्टर ना, ये मेरा फ्रेंड है बचपन के, ये सब टेढ़े सवाल इसलिए पूछ रहे हैं आशीष शर्मा को, जवाब में बात
Okay. After the session, ये तो अच्छा आइडिया है सर, मेडिकल थ्रिलर देखो। Again, we have another Zara Choksi. Hello, sir. I just happened to finish the new series Breath, and I find it like a celluloid version of Deja Karma. What's your view?
Hi, Zara. I met Zara once in Bangalore.
Okay.
She reads all my books, so I haven't read seen Breath. मैं लिख लेता हूँ, I don't know if it is on Netflix. अगर होगी तो मैं I'll definitely watch. मैंने देखा नहीं है Breath, so I can't say if it is close to that. I'll write it down. Zara, if you can
अच्छा,
tell us if it is on Netflix or खैर मैं ढूंढ लूंगा because different programs come on different channels. I'll definitely have a look. Thank you.
yeah. Sir, inner conflicts. We all have like psychologically, there is a lot of inner conflict between us. So in your book, does the main character or negative part, by main character, I mean, do they have those psychological conflicts in between, inside them? Do you post that in your book?
Even Rita Ferreira, I mean, even though she's the protagonist, she has psychological whatever inner conflicts of उसका बॉयफ्रेंड छोड़ जाता है उसे वो जब वो ज्यादा केस में अटक जाती है तो वो थोड़ी शराब ज्यादा पीने लग जाती है बट शी गेट्स आउट ऑफ इट हाउ शी परफॉर्म्स व्हेन आई राइट द मेन विलन इन इफ इट्स अ सीरियल किलर सो आई डोंट नो इफ यू रेड भेंडी बाजार उसमें देयर इज एंटायर बैकग्राउंड ऑफ व्हाई he or she becomes that wild. Even lipstick may have told people why he is so bad, and he keeps talking to you, and you can make out कि ये थोड़ा सरका हुआ है, but you don't know who it is. वो जो सारी बात उससे लगता है कि वो मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि मेरा वो दिखाता रहता है क्रेजी मी मेरा छोटा है और वो करता है मैं नहीं करता हूँ मैं तो मना करता हूँ ये मानता नहीं है तो यू कैन मेक आउट कि उसका रीजन है कि वो इतना because no one in their right mind would just go around killing people. Some do it for vengeance, some do it for greed. 4-5 main reason hai why people and then others there are psychological, pathological जो थोड़े से psychopaths होते हैं वो अलग है. So yes, you have to show why someone is doing.
Correct. And so, what about the clues? Your main character, which is always strong enough to overcome the villain, and like clues, how do you put it? Do you put it plain right under the reader's nose, or there is clue in the list? Clue is one of the thing in the long list. How it goes?
आपने कौन सी किताब पढ़ी?
Lipstick.
लिपस्टिक में आपको कोई क्लू मिला? You know who it is, but you haven't met. Though there was a clue
no.
when he is watching television, the news of Rita Ferreira and his girlfriend. वहां पे there was this हल्का सा clue था कि कौन हो सकता है. Plus जब वो मैं अब यहाँ I don't want to reveal. So you do give clues.
So yes, you do give clues. Yes.
So but you can't give total clues कि भाई सभी कुछ बता दोगे. So it's not necessarily a who done it. But कुछ तो there needs to be a hope that the person finishes. So भेंडी बाजार में it was quite obvious कि इनमें से कौन हो सकता है. But you don't know why or who and who would turn and do it.
So you have to read till end. That hooks you up till the end.
Yes, to finish the book, you have to keep something in your hand till the last. It not necessarily it's who, but it could be why because sometimes or how. कि ये तो जैसे आर्टिस्ट में वो चोरी करने जा रहा है और चोरी करेगा. अब वो चोरी करके भागेगा कैसे और पकड़ा नहीं जाएगा. It's nothing to do with कौन चुरा रहा है. वो तो चुरा रहा है आपके साथ. So it's something that keeps you back whether ये बचेगा नहीं बचेगा इसे. So not necessarily that every time police wins. It depends on आप किसके पर्सपेक्टिव से लिख रहे हो कि भाई अगर एंटी हीरो है तो आपने जब डॉन देखी होगी तो आप पता था डॉन नेगेटिव है लेकिन आप चाहते तो डॉन के साथ ही हो ना. So it depends on whose narrative, whose perspective are you building the story from? Is it a caper from an hero perspective? Is it police? अगर डिफेंस लॉयर है तो वो डिफेंस लॉयर अगर आपका मेन कैरेक्टर है तो वो केस गलत है या सही है वो तो जीतेगा उसे because that's the whole. Otherwise it will become so tragic. That
is amazing. So, sir, how do you think yourself while writing the book as an protagonist or antagonist? How do you think yourself first?
Depends on कौन main है. So if you're writing a Rita Ferreira book, then you would kind of put yourself in the shoes of the investigator because you have to think like her कि ये पकड़ेगी कैसे उसे. So even though there are clues, which is everyone, you have to work out that Rita will get the first. I mean, you have as many clues, but someone has to put them together. If you're writing heist artist, then you want to be the con man because how will he get away from the clutches of police, the mafia, and the gundas? So then you take that because you have to escape. If you writing a legal thriller, so you'll be the lawyer कि भाई इसके पास best arguments होंगे. That is how he will present the case, and that is how he will present the evidence, and that's why the case will go in his favor. So it changes. It need not be plus or minus. It is the lead character, because the story is normally from the perspective of the lead character. So lead character के role में आप होगे, तो you'll be able to write and take the story forward.
Correct, right? It depends on the main plot of the book, of a book. That's how you think.
Yes.
And so you, like, what do you think first? You think the end first and then weave the story around it, or is it the starting first and then the story goes?
So
or again, it depends on the.
No, it is two things. I do not start a story unless I have the beginning, in the sense कि क्या crime है, murder है, kidnapping है, heist है, burglary है, जो भी crime है, और कैसे पकड़ा जाएगा. तो या तो पकड़ा जाएगा या केस जाएगा, तो कैसे डिफेंस लॉयर इसे तोड़ेगा या जो भी करेगा. सो आई हैव द बिगिनिंग एंड द एंड कि कैसे पकड़ा जाएगा या क्या होगा और कैसे पकड़ा जाएगा. हाउ विल इट गेट रिवील्ड to the reader or the protagonist, and then I start writing. So beginning I have it very clear कि इसको कैसे शुरू करूंगा और कहाँ. The rest obviously as you write, आप जानते हो, then वो लिख के एक कैरेक्टर राइट देते हैं, एक स्टोरी और बना देते हैं, तो वो that is something that I do as I go forward and write a story. But beginning and end के बिना I don't even start.
You don't start.
So what do you? आप बताओ, आप beginning end के साथ आप जब लिखते हो, तो do you make like chapter wise synopsis? कि कई लोग करते हैं कि वो हर चैप्टर का synopsis बनाते हैं फिर लिखना शुरू करते हैं.
No, I don't do it that way. I have the end first in my mind, that what I want to convey to the readers, and then I view the story or the आगे का part. I do it that way. Or some subject I have. Yeah.
After end. Smart लोग.
Yeah. सर आपके सामने कहाँ एक ही बुक आई है?
मेरे सामने तो सभी स्मार्ट है.
अरे नहीं सर, MBA મને બધું આવડે છે. I am also an MBA, so મને બધું આવડે છે. We are idiot proof.
नहीं MBA means महा बेकार आदमी.
Okay. सर मूवीज में जब हॉरर मूवीज या थ्रिलर मूवीज देखते हैं हम लोग, there is a full setup, music and background and everything which gives you feel or which takes you to that subject. So how do you do that setup in your book? How do you describe that setup? How important it is to be in the book?
No, it is important, because what the author needs to do is basically, when you're reading text, you should feel that cringe कि अगर आपको लगता है कोई danger है, तो you थोड़ा सा लगना चाहिए रीडर को. उसका प्लस पॉइंट ये है कि मूवीज में you have a very big plus. You can, lighting, music, direction, अंधेरा, सब कुछ. The plus in writing is कि अच्छा, मूवी में आप ये नहीं बता सकते कि सामने वाला क्या सोच रहा है. So that is where the author can do is कि आपको जरूरी नहीं कि लाइट से या म्यूजिक से डर लगे, पर अगर आप जो उस कमरे में घुस रहा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, और आप दिखाना चाहते हैं डरा हुआ है, तो आप अगर उसके थॉट्स डिस्क्राइब करना शुरू करोगे कि यार ये मैं यहाँ आ गया हूँ, ये मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आवाजें आ रही हैं. सो दैट इज हाउ यू काइंड ऑफ बिल्ड अप दैट द पर्सन स्टार्ट्स रीडिंग फ्रॉम. उसे लगता है कि मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हो रहा है, इधर कुछ है उधर कुछ है. सो बिकॉज यू हैव दैट फैसिलिटी ऑफ वर्ड्स व्हिच यू कैन ट्रांसफर इनटू द पर्सन हु इज इन द सीन, उससे आप सीन बनाते हो. सो वो ऑब्वियसली मूवी को सोचना नहीं दिखा सकते, तो वो दे बेसिकली स्क्रीन प्ले में वो, एंड दे हैव अ वेरी, और विजुअल मीडिया इज ऑलवेज मोर इम्पैक्टफुल.
Always, yes. Yeah, but here you have the space to pen down the thoughts of the other person, which media doesn't have.
अगर डर लग रहा है,
सही. We have another question from Mr. Ashwini Vashnik. Can you please pop up? What did you learn when writing the thriller book? Is this something that you learned? That's what he wants to ask.
Ashwini ji, namaskar. Learn in the sense, it is not something, it is like, जितना आप लिखोगे उतना आप और लिख पाओगे. This is the key, because वो आप पेंटिंग बनाने लगो तो फिर आप एक स्ट्रोक और लगाते हो. What you learn is that maybe a scene that you did. So I always tell people, you finished writing the first draft, उसे एक दो महीने छोड़ दो, so that when you pick it up after the cooling period and you read it, you will realize कि यार ये तो बहुत ही बकवास है, इसको change करते हैं. Learning has to come from within, and the more you practice, it's like any other skill or any other art. The more you practice, the finer you will get.
The more.
Plus, the other thing is read as much as you can so that you know what is there in the market. बाकी लोग क्या लिख रहे हैं, बाकी लोग कैसे लिख रहे हैं, क्या ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है मार्केट में, क्या नहीं है, मैं कहाँ इसमें अपना तीर लगा सकता हूँ. So I मतलब ऐसा I don't have points of क्या मैंने learn किया, but आप जितना लिखोगे उतना learn करोगे उतना ज़्यादा लिख पाओगे.
Yeah, thank you. I hope that answers your question, Mr. Vashne. Okay, he has some other question. He's basically, sir, avid reader and dean at Jaipuria University, Ghaziabad. So he wants to know that what's the most challenging part about writing thriller as opposed to the other genre?
भाई ये तो सवाल उनके लिए है जिन्होंने बाकी जानवर में लिखा. मैंने तो सिर्फ उसमें लिखा है. But I think what is easy for the reader in terms of thrillers or crime or suspense is कि वो शुरू में जो crime होता है, that is a big book. Because, and if you can maintain the pace throughout, then you अगर पहले एक दो चैप्टर में, ये मैंने सीखा है, आपने नाम सुना होगा, मिस्टर सुरेंद्र मोहन पाठक है, वो हिंदी में लिखते हैं, उन्होंने कोई 300 किताबें लिखी टाइम पे.
वेरी फेमस हिंदी राइटर.
हाँ, अगर आपने रीडर को पहले 2-3 चैप्टर में पकड़ लिया तो आपकी वो पूरी. अगर वो पहले एक आध चैप्टर में छोड़ गया कि आपने वहीं पे पेस कम कर दी, या आपने पहले सीन में या पहले चैप्टर तक क्राइम नहीं आया, सो देन आप ये देखो ना आजकल डिस्ट्रैक्शन कितनी है. किताब वैसे ही कम पढ़ते हैं, देन यू हैव टेलीविजन, देन यू हैव सारे टाइम फोन भी आता रहता है, टुंग होती रहती है. So you have to catch the person in the first 2-3 chapters, and if you got that right, then just maintain that pace. Don't let the pace drop. Even when you go for your sub stories, they should, like अपन ने बात की, interesting enough कि पढ़ने में बोर नहीं लगे, लेकिन इतनी लंबी नहीं हो जाए कि वो पहले की स्टोरी भूल जाए. तो make it that way. और I'm sure बाकी genres में भी यही करना पड़ता है, even if it's mythology or romance, कि वो it has to have the hook. कि भाई क्या होगा, क्या होने वाला है, क्यों हो रहा है, मैं आगे क्या होगा, ये रोमियो जूलियट मिलेंगे नहीं मिलेंगे. सेम विद माइथोलॉजी. तो आई गेस इट जस्ट ऑल ऑफ दीज रिक्वायर रिसर्च. आई थिंक रोमांस में थोड़ा कम होता होगा रिसर्च, बट थोड़ा कम होगा बिकॉज भाई सबने एक बार जिंदगी में तो प्यार कर ही लिया, तो इसको there will still be research on places, on things, but I would imagine everything requires a different kind of research. So spend time on research. Legal thriller बहुत research करनी पड़ती है because बाकी तो कुछ भी fiction है, आप कहोगे हो गया, आपसे नहीं हुआ तो. But legal में you have to work within the boundaries of the law. Police procedural like Rita, you can't say she's doing something which is not permitted by law. भाई वो अगर वो तोड़ेगी भी law को तो बता के तोड़ना पड़ता है कि भाई मुझसे मालूम है कि ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन let's try and do it. So I think research is the main thing that is required in any writing.
Any writing.
Police proceedings अगर कुछ होगा तो ज़्यादा होगा. बाकी आज बहुत research ही होती है.
Okay. So sir, as you said that Rita Ferrere drinks a lot, you know that side that.
ऐसे बेहुड़े की तरह नहीं पीती रहती, बट या मतलब कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है उसे भी, मतलब उसको अपने पेरेंट्स की याद आती है, उसका बॉयफ्रेंड उसे छोड़ के चला गया उसकी याद आती है, कभी टेंशन में होती तो तीसरी ग्लास पी जाती है. तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स तो कैरेक्टर में हो गई ना, नहीं तो फिर वो तो प्लेन कहानी हो जाएगी. मैं पूरी कहानी केडी बाजार की एक
My question is other side. That I liked the way that bold part of the females is being shown by you. एक तो पहले female cop, Rita is a female, so that's the best thing. She drinks, and there is no shame in it. Again, of you writing it. So like, how do you feel about the Indian females or the females being, showcased today?
I think आजकल तो काफी, I mean, it's an equal world. There is no reason why what a man can do, a woman can't do, because uh, uh, there are a lot of actors like Benedict Cumberbatch, जो जिन्होंने Sherlock Holmes play किया था. He has
Yeah,
told all
yeah,
the directors that he will not act in a film if the female
yeah.
lead is not getting as paid as much as him. कि अगर उसको कम दे रहे हो तो मेरे को इनवाइट मत करना, मैं आऊंगा ही. So there are actors who kind of say, अलग पिक, उसको कम देने का मतलब क्या है? We will both get the same amount of salary. तुम वरना मैं काम ही नहीं करूंगा आपके साथ. We've had good female lead films right from Mother India. वो बीच-बीच में वो it is a story, and there are examples of female cops in India. Okay, numbers come heavy, but I guess we are opening up. So is it opening around the world? Everyone should get an equal footing. I mean, your gender should be the last thing that should decide what job you do or what position you hold. There should be no discrimination. There should be no reservation. आप काबिल हो, जेंडर इज सेकेंडरी. आप काबिल हो, आपकी रेस क्या है, आपकी रिलीजन क्या है, आपका सेक्सुअल ओरिएंटेशन क्या है, आपकी उम्र क्या है. दीज थिंग्स शुड बी द लास्ट. बट वी ऑल नो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है, एज के साथ होता है, कलर के साथ होता है, रिलीजन के साथ होता है. वो सारी वैसी मेल फीमेल के लिए होता है. बट आई डोंट थिंक देयर शुड बी एनी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन और एनी रिजर्वेशन. टेक द राइट फॉर द राइट जॉब. Everything else is secondary in my mind.
Lovely. Perfect. I loved your thoughts. So sir,
प्रमोट मत करो कि वो माइनॉरिटी है, वो भी गलत है.
sorry.
इसलिए प्रमोट मत करो कि माइनॉरिटी है. Everyone should get a rightful. Nobody, because जो माइनॉरिटी है उसे आप प्रमोट करो, उसे कैसा लगता होगा, तो यार इन्होंने इसलिए दे दिया क्योंकि मैं ये हूँ, ये तो उसकी अचीवमेंट कम कर दिया आपने. Everyone should get the right, irrespective of whatever, wherever they come from.
Exactly. So what about these slang words? Because this Mumbai crimes, which you see, which you write in your book, there is a lot of slang words. So do you use that in your book? Your characters, I mean, your characters use that in your book, or even the female uses the slang words?
हाँ, जहाँ, see, after all, it is in English. So wherever I use I largely try to use Hindi words if they can be found on the web or Wikipedia. I use hafta. वो हफ्ता होता है ना, हफ्ता कलेक्ट करते हैं. हवाला is a own word, so that's a slang. That's हवाला. हफ्ता, हवाला, पूछ, तो वो पीते हैं वो बैठ के. So I use slang words. Sometimes I use curse words also, जिसके लिए कई लोगों ने मुझे लिखा कि आप ऐसे क्यों लिखते हो. But the reality is कि जब पुलिस 4 लाशें देखती है तो गलत, I mean, गाली निकल जाती है. So I try to keep it as a minimum. What I sometimes do is halfway through बोल के भी समझ में आ जाता है सामने वाले को. आपको पूरा 4 बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है कि भाई उसे गुस्सा आ रहा है. एंड कई बार रीटा के मुंह से भी निकलती है और कई बार रीटा लोगों को डांटती भी है कि तुम क्या बोल रहे हो, you should not talk like this. These things will happen. The thin line is कि कहां तक आप स्लैंग को ले जाना चाहते हो और बैड लैंग्वेज को, और कि भाई हो रहा है, और कहां आप ऑडियंस को इतना भी परेशान नहीं कर दो किताब के यार तो गालियों की शब्दकोश है, ये तो मतलब डिक्शनरी चल रही है गालियों. तो यू नीड टू काइंड ऑफ फाइंड द राइट बैलेंस. But
yes, there has to be a balance. Correct. There is one more question from one of the reader. Vivek, please pop up the question. The question.
What about your next book?
Yes.
अश्विनी जी, नेक्स्ट बुक जून में आनी थी, लेकिन अपने कोरोना देव आ गए तो सब बंद हो गया है. एंड आई थिंक द प्रिंटिंग एंड पब्लिक, उसकी प्रिंटिंग नहीं हो पाई थी टाइम पे. आई एम टोल्ड, अब आगे तो पता नहीं सेकंड पीक आएगी या व्हाटएवर. आई एम टोल्ड वी कैन लुक एट अ लॉन्च इन अक्टूबर नवंबर, डिपेंडिंग कब सब खुल जाता है. बिकॉज क्या है कि पब्लिशर के लिए दे हैव टू प्रिंट द कॉपीज, चेक द कॉपीज, फिर वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर दुकानों में ले जाएगा. तो इट इज अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस देन यू थिंक. तो अक्टूबर में मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आएगी. एंड इट इज कॉल्ड प्रिजनर्स डायलेमा, व्हिच इज बेस्ड ऑन दैट ओल्ड इकोनॉमिक, वो एक थ्योरी है उसमें, प्रिजनर्स डिलेमा की. आप आराम से गूगल या विकिपीडिया करें, इंटरेस्टिंग है थ्योरी. एंड इट इज अगेन अ साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर which will actually be my second. मैं साइकोपैथ है, मैं ज्यादा इतनी नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. आप तारीफ कर रहे थे, मैं भी खुशी हो रहा था. Which is less action, more mental,
हाँ,
and it is about setting is in a police station. तो अक्टूबर
okay.
आप जरूर खरीदेगा अश्विनी जी, 10 कॉपी खरीदिएगा, बांटिएगा लोगों को.
Still, there is one more question from Ashish Verma. Did any of your high school friends like Rajat Dev or Evan Rose, sir? Please
हाँ,
answer it.
नहीं, ये वही आशीष वर्मा है, डॉक्टर साहब अभी बैठे हैं मिशिगन में. इनको अगर ये दोस्त नहीं होते तो 5 साल पहले लिख ली होती. इन्होंने बहुत टाइम खराब किया है. 5 साल पहले
I'm sure.
तुम्हारे साथ टाइम खराब नहीं करता.
I'm sure first thing they are going to come at your home and kidnap you again. कि अब आप मत लिखो, बहुत लिख लिया.
ये यूएस में रहता है, दूर है, हमारे पास नहीं.
अच्छा, दूर है. Okay. Okay. The Sanjay Verma, do you visualize some person when you name your characters?
Not always, but sometimes, and it is not that people I know, but normally when you are out and about, तो आप किसी को देखते हो, तो it's never a full person. तो मुझे लगता है इसके बाल डिस्क्राइब करने में इजी. अबे कोशा जी के बाल ऐसे हैं, काले, इन्होंने गले में कुछ पहन रखा है. Can it be described? It's a combination of all. But I never pick up exactly मेरा पड़ोसी है, इसको बना देता हूँ ऐसा. But yes, आप नहीं चाहोगे तो भी आप अपनी मेमोरी से यूज करोगे, बिना रियलाइज के भी आप कुछ ना कुछ तो आपको किसी की और किसी की मैनर, हाथ हिलाता है, कोई पैर हिलाता है, तो वो सब will always be there.
Right. I'm sure he didn't mean anyone special, right?
नहीं, संजय वर्मा को तो देख के कोई नहीं लिखा. ये वही है, ये बदमाश आदमी है, मेरे पीछे लगे हैं, इनकी सेटिंग बात में अहमदाबाद आके.
Okay. So sir, what it is? Okay. Now अब जब बात निकली आपके, so how do you write? Are you a perfect desk, laptop, pen, paper person, or you can write on couch, in bed, lying down on your pillow in a breezy cloth?
So normally I used to write on my laptop, but वो क्या है, आपकी तरह पे मेरी उम्र थोड़ी ज्यादा हो गई ना, तो वो क्या लैपटॉप में आई स्टार्टेड.
सर मैंने नहीं बोला.
गर्दन दुखने लग गई थी. यू लैपटॉप की जो पोजीशन होती है ना, यूं होती है, आप ऊपर रख लोगे तो. सो आई हैव स्विच्ड बैक टू डेस्कटॉप. आई डोंट राइट ऑन पेपर. व्हाट आई डू इज, इफ मुझे जैसे दिन में कहीं बाहर हूं, आइडिया आ जाए, तो आई मेक सम नोट्स ऑन माय आईफोन, जो अपने आप वो जीमेल में आ जाते हैं, एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज गेट देम. बट आई प्रेफर डेस्कटॉप नाउ टू अ लैपटॉप. लैपटॉप इसलिए कि अगर आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो कहीं, तो छुट्टी पे डेस्कटॉप तो ले आ नहीं सकते. So that is not पिछले 2-3 महीने से I have been on desktop, and I prefer a desktop because the seating and the neck and everything is a lot more comfortable. Screen को यूं कर सकते हो, and then you are, so I prefer a desktop.
Okay. And sir, what you are as a person, not as an author, how you are, what are your hobbies? One I know is collecting the models of the cars. Yeah, so tell us something about you more as a person.
As a person, I am quite social, so I like being with people. I collect model cars. I like whiskey, single malt whiskey. I play golf. I listen to a lot of music, so jazz and rock. मेरे हमेशा जब मैं लिखता हूँ तब भी jazz चल रहा होता है पीछे. कंप्यूटर से Spotify चलता रहता है पीछे. And we watch a lot of movies. I watch a lot of web series. मतलब मैं almost every day हम कुछ ना कुछ तो शाम को देखते हैं. It might not be crime always, but largely we watch television at least half an hour, 1 hour a day, unless we've gone out for dinner. पर आजकल in this COVID times तो बाहर जाना तो था नहीं, तो we were watching movies. I've seen, मतलब वो my wife is working from home, मैं दिन में बैठ के एक Money Heist की 8 एपिसोड चाट गया पूरे बैठ के. So I love watching. I love watching stories. I read a lot. So I read about 50 to 60 books per year. So I read about I read a book a week. तो thankfully वो Amazon हमारे यहाँ पे Amazon डिलीवर करता रहा, बाकी सब बंद हो गया था. तो Amazon से वो हर अभी भी एक शुरू करी है, तो इसी की दूसरी ऑर्डर करती है. ये अच्छा लगा होता है.
Okay. So which you like most apart from this crime and this thing? What do you like to read?
I only read crime.
Acha. Okay. No other things.
No,
Really?
really.
Oh. Oh.
Different kinds of crime, but I read crime.
But crime genre. Okay.
It helps. I only write because I only read. I enjoy writing and reading crime fiction.
Okay. Sir, on your parting note, message to your followers, fans, readers, viewers, all of us who are watching right now.
By stay safe. COVID say, I mean, we have got a lot of time indoors, so introspect, think about what you want to do. मेरे को भी follow करो Facebook पे जाके.
Sir, Insta, are you more on that Insta?
I am on Instagram. No, I prefer Facebook to Instagram. Instagram पे तो मैं जाके कुछ भी लगा देता हूँ. But I have the Facebook page where I share what I've read and what I watch every day. कि क्या देखा, क्या क्या अच्छा लगा, क्या बुरा लगा. Besides that, I mean, stay safe, guys, and just help each other. अभी this too will pass. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये गलत टाइम आ गया है, but this will pass. ऐसी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Just अभी आज वो हाँ. So it's nobody. This virus is not sparing even the VIPs. हमारे तो यहाँ प्राइम मिनिस्टर को हो गया था, वहाँ मिस्टर बच्चन को हो गया है. So take it easy. Just stay indoors. It's not the end of the world. और 3 महीने की बात है. उसके बाद it will be back to normal, whatever the new normal is. But don't rush out just because people are doing it and contract this. It's not something to play with. Life is more important than कि ये 15 मिनट का बाहर यारी दोस्ती. तो फोन पे कर लो, फेसबुक पे कर लो. Just stay indoors. Just stay safe is the message. That's all.
Correct. So on this wonderful note, sir, the last question we have is from Dave. When do we expect to see the launch of your website?
मट्टा तुझे फोन पे भी पूछ सकता था, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं.
Sir, see how sincere you have your friends. They all are watching and even messaging, commenting, questioning over here.
आते हैं ऐसे नहीं पूछ रहे हैं इनको. मैं तो basically हाँ, it was supposed to come out Rita Ferreira end of this year, but the truth is अब वो पिछले 6 मार्च से लेके अभी तक अगले 2-3 महीने तक तो शूटिंग ही नहीं होगी. I mean, why should anyone risk life for this? There is enough material there. So I would say कि भाई सभी डिले चल रहा है 6-8 महीने, तो I would say कि अभी next year ही होगा. I would imagine this time next year we would get some news of when, and maybe end of next year. जो इस एक साल तो सारी लाइफ ही डिले. 2020 is basically off everywhere. 2-3 महीने अब वो I would imagine sometime 4th quarter of 2021 में ही आएगा.
Okay. So with this wonderful note of his new series, new book, and to stay safe, thank you guys for always supporting us. Thank you, my viewers. On behalf of Ahmedabad Book Club and Karma Foundation, I thank you all, and especially Mr. Vish, to join us today, sparing time and giving us so much of information, and yet not giving one information, that is his age correctly. So that I'll have to again stop you for that. Everyone crossing my hands to stop that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye-bye.